Here's a pair of the AirPods Pro 3. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a MacBook or iMac via Bluetooth. So first thing is, let's go to our Bluetooth settings on our Apple computer. So head over to the top left hand side, the Apple logo, go down to System Settings, go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, and now see this little spinny thing down there? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so we got to put these in a pairing mode. Okay, so simply go ahead and open the case up. Now if you see this light right here, if the light starts blinking white, it means it's in pairing mode. Okay, I'll get a solid green light here, and the reason is because I'm actually connected to my Samsung phone. So let me manually put this in a pairing mode. Okay, let me close the lid, and then I'm going to open it, and I'm going to double tap this invisible button right there. Now it's blinking white, white. Okay, and now you can see that it did pop up here, the AirPods Pro. Let me go ahead and connect there. Okay, just a little beep. We're connected, ready to go. There you go, pretty simple. Now, if you have any kind of issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for the link below in the description area.